One sunny morning, there was a chicken named Charlie. Charlie was small. Charlie was yellow. Charlie was a little bit silly. Charlie had one big dream. I want to fly, he said. Every day, Charlie looked at the sky. He saw birds flying. He saw butterflies flying. He even saw a paper airplane flying. But I can't fly, Charlie said. His wings were short, and his tummy was big. One day, Charlie had an idea. I will make a flying machine, he said. He found an old box. He found some rope. He found a big red umbrella. This is perfect. Charlie smiled. Charlie climbed on the barn roof. He opened the umbrella. Ready, set, fly. Charlie jumped. Ah! Charlie flew for 1 second. Then he fell into the hay. The next day, Charlie tried again. He used balloons. 1 balloon, 2 balloons, 10 balloons. Ready, set, fly. Charlie went up, up, up. But then, pop, pop, pop. The balloons broke, and Charlie fell into the mud. Charlie was very sad. I will never fly, he said. Then his friend, Daisy the duck, came. Charlie, you don't need to fly to be special, Daisy said. But I want to see the world, Charlie said. Daisy smiled. Hop on my back. Charlie jumped on Daisy's back. Together, they swam across the pond. Charlie saw fish, frogs, and dragonflies. He was happy. From that day, Charlie still couldn't fly, but he could swim, play, and dream big. And that was enough.